Hi everyone, I'm really honored to share with you the last 2 days experience on this innovation workshop. This is the best ever workshop I've ever been. I've been a trainer 23 years. I believe if I had attended this workshop 23 years ago, I would be a very different person today. And I believe this workshop is great, or it should be attended by every CEO if he is serious. He wants to have innovation and change his industry or his company. I would highly recommend this workshop to all the CEOs. Come for this workshop, learn how to discipline and create big ideas to make your company bigger. Thank you.